everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, whatever your girl put out, you're watching. Shout out to you. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. I'm getting ready to go to Bath and Body Works because today is the last day of the buy two get two sale. So I'm finna go up there and see which candles they have out. I'm just leaving church. My son got baptized today, y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy he got baptized today. I'll add a picture or a little bit of the footage up in here somewhere. I'm so happy he did that. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go over here just to see what they have. If they already have the candles that I placed the order for, then I'm just gonna pass. I don't think they're gonna have anything but like the core collection for the Christmas sales, you know, the candles that always come out. I think those are gonna be the candles that's in store now. So let's head up here and let's see exactly what they have. Let's go. I'm back in the car. The store was a total bust. This was a total bust of a trip because they did have the Christmas candles, but it was just the basic stuff. Like the core collection for Christmas, the stuff that they always have, the stuff that people in our community we don't want. We already have that stuff. We want the new stuff, the stuff that they got in the back, the stuff that's supposed to be released, you know, soon. That's the stuff we're looking for. So because they didn't have none of the items, I just decided to just pass. Yeah, they didn't even have the candles out that's online. They didn't even have those candles out. So yeah, like I said, I just passed. And believe it or not, those candles is really selling, as y'all did see. Yeah, they selling. My store had a lot of white pumpkin candles. I don't know why, but they had so many. Wow, they had a whole table full of white pumpkin candles, as y'all seen. I think I want to grab a few more of the white pumpkin and oak wood candle. I have two, but I would love to get two more. So if I could find those, I'll be really happy. Maybe I should go to my other store. I'm not really looking for like the holiday cheers, the cookies with Santa, those candles or whatever. I don't know the name of them, y'all, but those candles I ordered online and I know they're not going to be in the stores. So I'm just going to get some candles that I really want, and I really want some more of that white pumpkin oak wood candle. I really want more of that, and as y'all do know, it is completely sold out online. So now is the time for me to try to find that candle. So I think I'm going to go over here to this other store real quick. Okay, y'all, I know it's probably looking a little washed, but I can't figure out the best position to record this little small portion of this video, which I kind of feel like I'm gonna take these candles back, but because I wanted this candle, the white, okay, like I was saying before my phone rang, white pumpkin oak wood. This is the reason why I bought these other candles, because I really wanted this one. I really want to grab one more because this candle is so good. It's so good. And I am a huge fan of just regular white pumpkin. I do like that. But this one most definitely smells really, really good. That sandalwood. I don't really get pear, but you do get that sandalwood along with the pumpkin. This one is really good. And y'all know I've said that before. So then I grabbed this candle, which I think I already have this one. This pumpkin cinnamon bun. I think I bought this one already, but I just grabbed it and I might return it. And then after that, I grabbed sugared snickerdoodle. I grabbed that one because I did consider buying this one online, but I don't know. I already have one of these and I actually really liked it, but I never bought a backup of it. So yeah, so I decided to just go ahead and grab one. This is warm spices, vanilla, and musk. This one, to me, when I had it last time, it was very sweet. And as you see, the packaging is just kind of plain. It ain't nothing special. It ain't doing nothing extra. It's just, you know, a Christmas label. Yeah. So, yeah, this is good. This is very vanilla-like. When I first smelled this, the first candle that came to mind is warm vanilla body care, and then you know they have that candle. That's the first thing came to my mind when I smelled this candle. Not to say that it smells that it's a dupe for that, or it's the same candle just recent or renamed. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that's the very first candle, or that's the first thing I thought about, was that I think it's called warm vanilla sugar or warm sugared vanilla or something like that. That's the first thing I thought about when I smelled this one. It's good and I do like it, but this ain't something that I have to have. This isn't a candle that's just going to sell out super fast. This is something that's probably going to be around for like Candle Day or semi-annual sale. Yes, this is one of those candles that you don't necessarily have to get right now. So that's the reason why I was kind of sort of on the fence, because this one will be around. I'm just saying, it will be around. It's always around. And then the last candle I got, I hate the fact that she broke the thing because I actually need some of these. The last candle I got is Winter Candy Apple. Winter Candy Apple is a candle that I actually don't own, which is surprising. And I think it has a lot to do with the fact that apple, and then coming from fall and they having a lot of apple scents. I think that's the reason why I never got into this particular candle. But the scent notes is candy apple, pear, and oranges. Wow, okay. So yeah, I think that's the reason why I never got into this, because during the fall candle release, they do so many apple scented candles. So I think this is probably the reason why I just kind of passed, because this is more like going away from fall into like the Christmas season. So they just kind of blended the two. It don't smell like nothing special to me, you know, but as you do see, it has that Christmas label on it. So this isn't nothing special to me. This is another candle that you could get on semi-annual sale or Candle Day. This isn't the candle that you have to actually rush out and just get. This not that, you know. As far as these two, this is more of the core collection for Bath and Body Works Christmas season. These candles always come out. So I'm just saying. And I don't know for sure if last year was the first year that this candle came out, the snickerdoodle candle. I'm not sure, but I know last year was the first year I bought it. And it is a good candle, but like I said, it hung around for the whole entire season. So that's the reason why I'm saying these particular candles you don't have to run for. And that's just my opinion. Put it down in the comments. Let me know, do your store normally sell out of these particular Christmas candles? Put that in the comment for me, because I don't know. That's just how I feel. It's not a candle that you have to run for. As far as this candle is good. This whole collection is good, but you do know that this is a fall candle, and more than likely these candles is probably either going to be pulled. I heard it's supposed to be like a 50% sale or something on these candles, but soon these candles will be pulled and you probably won't see them again until like semi-annual sale or candle day. So right now, if you have a coupon, you could get these candles for like $10 and something. So now might be a good time to buy this if you haven't bought it already. I just got it just because, you know, like I said, it might be one of the candles that I return if I could find another one of these, because I wanted to buy 2 of these, but the store only had 1. So yeah, so basically that's all I got in this haul. Leave in the comments, let me know, did your store have any of the other Christmas candles? Because my store didn't. They just had the basic stuff. Let me know if your store had any of the newer candles, the new stuff, the new Christmas stuff, the stuff that's new out for this season. Leave that down in the comments area. Also, let me know, what are your top 4 candles that you picked up on this buy 2 get 2 sale? Let me know that. And I guess that's gonna be it. Oh, and then I got one more thing. I had a coupon. I used a 20% coupon on this stuff, and plus I had a coupon for a free hand cream, and I decided to get the pumpkin chai hand cream, the white pumpkin chai hand cream, because as y'all know, in one of the videos I did a demo of the body wash inside the store. It's actually nice. It's actually nice. So why not just grab a free hand cream? It was free, why not? Because I think I have all the other ones, so that's the only one I probably don't have that I actually like. I'm sorry about the glare, but I don't know where that's coming from, but I'm sorry about the glare. Hopefully the video come through really good, you know. And that's gonna be it. Like I said, leave in the comments, let me know your top 4 candles that you picked up on this buy 2 get 2 sale, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and follow your girl on Instagram. Follow me over there on Instagram, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.